We have got one cool truck right here, 1978 K20 four-wheel drive, complete professional body off frame restored. You're going to love the tour I take you on in this truck. Under the hood is an LT motor. It's out of an Escalade, 420 horsepower, 6.2 liter, 10-speed automatic. Of course, it's air, cool interior. I just got a lot to tell you about this one. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll see 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So the truck had one owner from 1980 to 2020. So 40 years of its life was one owner. 2020 is when the third owner acquired it and did the restoration. The restoration was just completed recently. It was done at Big Rooster Performance. It's a shop that specializes in high-end builds, especially trucks and Broncos and Blazers. And this thing is nice. I got so much to tell you about. I hope I remember half of it. Will be in good shape. So the body fit and finish is excellent. All the panels are clean. It's all rust-free, all beautiful right down to the bottom. Beautiful metallic brown paint. And the center is actually a wrap. Underneath this wrap is the same brown. They added the wrap down the middle to give it a two-tone, give it a nice look. But the metallic is laid out evenly, and all this is polished like glass, and the whole truck is straight. Look at the reflection of my hand all the way at the bottom. It's clean underneath. So all this is pristine metal all the way down under here. Here's the rocker where it attaches to the body, all clean. The cab corner is all clean. The door pops open with these, all new latches, shuts real nice. So all that is also in excellent condition. A few little marks they wipe right off. There's no chips that I see. All this fits real nicely. No issues, no dents, no cracking. Everything is great. A little bit of that clear bra up in the front here to avoid rock chips in the paint. I think there was a couple places he said he applied that on the truck. But again, all of this side, just as good, just as nice. I wouldn't even know this was a wrap. It's got a little metal flake in it. If he didn't tell me it was a wrap, I would have thought it was paint. He replaced everything on the truck. All the glass except the vent windows, which are in excellent shape. All the rest of the glass has been replaced. It has sliding smoked glass, sliding back window. All the trim. It is a Cheyenne. All the moldings, door handles, gutters, weather strips, seals, gaskets, all of it has been replaced. LED lighting. Now, I'm not sure if these are custom or came that way. They just look custom to me. A new chrome bumper. All the trim, all the moldings was replaced. Has a full hitch receiver with the, looks like a 6-pin plug in there. Beautiful, outstanding, clean truck. Stainless mirrors. And then around the front, the grill, the bumper, all that's done. LED headlights as well. Why don't we open it up? I just got so much more to tell you about this truck. So we almost had to film this truck outside because it's so big. So the tailgate won't open all the way, but you get the point. The whole inside has this durable spray-in bed liner, all new latches, and then it has a nice foam, carpeted foam floor, and this nice true export tonneau cover, so you can actually use this truck to haul stuff in there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. We put a lot of great content on our YouTube channel. So the jambs are painted just as slick as the outside. The latches were replaced. Complete custom interior. All the door panels are wrapped and stitched. All new trim. It has the plaid map pockets, which is really cool and nostalgic. So that's not just a plastic door panel. That's wrapped in the same vinyl that's on the seats and everywhere else inside here. Oh, I got to light up the dash for you. All the instrument panel, everything's replaced. Those are Dakota Digital Retro Tech gauges. They look like analog, but they're all digital. It has classic auto air electric slides for the heat and air. It has a Bluetooth retro sound stereo and hooked up to all sorts of nice components we'll talk about. And here the dash is all upholstered, not just a plastic dash, but it's all beautifully upholstered and stitched. All the trim is new. Everything's painted up real nice. Custom kick panel speakers. I think they're infinity speakers with the little tweeter here. Real nice setup. Real nice carpet. Reproduction floor mats. Now check out the seats. Nice captain chair seats, all reupholstered. Has the plaid from SMS Upholstery. Now they took the console and also upholstered it again instead of leaving it plastic. Just nice details. Look how they did everything so nicely. Cup holders, 12-volt receptacle, and there's a kicker subwoofer right here between us. And these speakers in the kick panel, they're also in the back corners there too. So it's got a great sound system. Again, I just love the seats. How nostalgic, how cool is this? But they're nice high back buckets. LED interior light. Again, everything's wrapped in the vinyl, all the trim. What a great job they did. The headliner is all wrapped. The visors are wrapped. So this is professionally done. Here's a microphone for the hands-free stereo. The steering wheel's even upholstered to match the seats. A nice aluminum wheel and a tilt column. The column is completely rebuilt. And it also, if you noticed underneath here, it has for the hitch, it has the brake adjustment. So it has trailer brakes on here too. You can actually pull a good sized trailer with this truck if you wanted to. I love it. I love everything about it. So the motor is the LT motor. That's what they would use in an Escalade or the big trucks. And it's a 6.2 liter, making 420 horsepower. All beautiful, clean stock, all the aluminum and brackets and nuts and bolts and hardware. Everything's just nice and clean and stock. Nice, clean firewall. It's just all a neat professional restoration. Everywhere you look, all the nuts and bolts, and it's all very cool. This has a, looks like a Valent box here. It's like a K&N type filter with a nice air intake. Look how this is all painted, smooth, clean. Of course, we got air conditioning and power steering and power brakes and all that good stuff too. Power brake wiper motors all restored. Squirters are hooked up. Has hood insulation. Big aluminum radiator with electric fans. Yeah, LS powered pick 'em up truck. Michael's going to show you how nice this runs, and we'll see in a few minutes.
Alright everybody, I am super excited to present this truck to you guys. I mean, this will make a really nice, go out to the cruise night kind of cruiser if you want. But I tell you, I wouldn't hesitate to go ahead and daily drive this one. If you live in the type of climate that's acceptable for that, I would go ahead and encourage it. You got a 6.2 liter LT rated at 420 horsepower under the hood. It's fuel injected. Got some real good turnkey reliability on it. I think fires right up, no problems. And that's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. So go ahead, cruise this one down the highway with confidence. It'll just be a really fun experience. 3-inch lift on it. And handles really good. Ate up all those bumps back there and cracks in the road with absolutely no problem. Power steering, front disc brakes on it. And yeah, let's see what she's got. Heck yeah. This thing is sweet. I mean, I was like a third of the way in the throttle there, and it's just, it's a lot of fun. You know, you're up so high, and you really, you feel like you own the road in this thing. It's got more than enough pull to it. You could definitely get in some trouble on the daily with this one. Holy cow, that was great. Somebody's gonna love it, without a doubt. You know, we spent a real small service between service and detail on this. I think it was only $1,400. So when it came to us super dialed in, this thing's just ready to ride. Come down, test drive it for yourself if you'd like. That's absolutely no problem. And check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
So I forgot to talk about the tires and wheels. You got some nice polished aluminum 17-inch wheels with some Toyo Performance or open country all-terrain tires on them. So there's so much going on underneath the truck as well. I'm going to refer to my notes. This was body off the frame restored. I told you at Big Rooster Performance, you can actually scroll down on their Facebook, you'll find a bunch of pictures of the restoration. It was completed not long ago at all. So underneath, again, body off frame, has a 3-inch rough country lift with Pro Comp shocks, new worn front locking hubs. It has a polished 304 stainless steel exhaust, 2.5-inch pipes, Borla Pro XS mufflers, high flow catalytic converters. The front differentials a Dana 44 with 373 gears. Again, it has the 10-speed 10L80E overdrive automatic trans that would be used in an Escalade. And it was upgraded with GPZ clutch plates, was given an improved tune. They actually tune like the motors now. They hook up a computer and tune the trans. It gives it better shifts. Has new drive shaft. It has an NP205 transfer case that was completely rebuilt. In back is a 14-bolt rear end with 373 Eaton True Track posi. I think there's chrome covers on the front and back center sections. Has a spare tire underneath there. The whole bottom of the truck was sprayed with a bed liner material, all clean rust-free metal, big heavy-duty sway bar up front there. So yeah, just an all-around cool truck, nostalgic colors. He liked the TV show Fall Guy. That's why he liked the brown that he had put on here. And again, I think it's just nostalgic. It works. This is a cool truck. This is what all the country songs are being written about these days. Now you can go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. There's even a buy it now button, but talk to the salesman with any questions, including how to get your K20 delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.